Welcome to my video. Top 5 Best Xiaomi Pad XS Pro in 2024. Hi guys. Are you looking for best Xiaomi Pad XS Pro? If you received the new Xiaomi Pad XS Pro, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best Xiaomi Pad XS Pros on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences. Number 1 Global Version Original Xiomi. Powerful Snapdragon 888 processor and up to 16 GB of RAM. Satellite positioning GPS. Link on the description. It has 2 camera and Pro tablet. 11-inch HD 4000 with Bluetooth Wi-Fi GPS tablet. Number 2 Original Xiaomi Pad 6 South Pro tablet. 20,000 mAh big battery. Android 14 AI power. Number 3 Original Xiaomi Pad 6 South Pro tablet. 10-core Snapdragon. Link on the description. HD 4000 Android 14 16GB plus 1T. Dual SIM. Wi-Fi. GPS tablet. PC. Number 4 2024 New Original Xiaomi Pad 6 South Pro tablet. Worldwide version. Experience the stunning visuals of the 2024 new Xiaomi Pad 6 Seconds Pro tablet with an 11 in 4000 display 2560 X600 with up to 16 GB of RAM and a potent 10-core processor. It MALS provides exceptional performance for all of your work. The tablet offers 5 grams connectivity for seamless online experiences and a sizable 20,000 mAh battery for longer use. Number 5 2024 Worldwide Original Pad 65 Pro tablet version. Discover state-of-the-art technology with the 2024 Global Version Pad 6 Seconds Pro tablet, which has a gorgeous 10.1 and 300x2000 IPS display. Smooth performance with up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage is earned by this tablet, which is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU and Android 14 with 2 cameras, a 32MP rear and a 16MP front. You can capture every moment and use them for both photography and video calls. It has a 10,000 mAh. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.